Court documents reveal that federal agents seized 11 sets of classified records from the former president's Florida home earlier this week. The FBI search of former President Donald Trump's Florida estate turned up multiple sets of top-secret and classified documents, according to court papers released by a federal judge on Friday after the Justice Department asked for the documents to be made public. The inventory document reveals that the agency took 11 sets of classified records, although it does not provide specific information about their contents. An affidavit, which outlines why investigators sought the search warrant, was not released among the unsealed court documents. A search warrant also released Friday cited 3 potential crimes pertaining to the retention, destruction, concealment, or unlawful removal of government documents, including the Espionage Act, as potential crimes for which the former president may be investigated. Sources familiar with the investigation told The Washington Post that the property included classified documents related to nuclear weapons, although additional details about the information the agents sought were not clear, including whether the information involved weapons belonged to the U.S. or another nation. Trump called the reports of documents pertaining to nuclear weapons a hoax. After remaining quiet on the issue for days, as is typical of the Justice Department amid an ongoing investigation, Attorney General Merrick Garland announced that the agency had asked a federal judge to make the search warrant public on Thursday, pointing to substantial public interest in this matter. In its motion, the Justice Department noted that the former president should have an opportunity to respond to the motion to lodge any objections. A federal judge gave the Justice Department until 3 p.m. Friday to confer with Trump's team to find out whether he objected to the release of the warrant. But Trump released a statement overnight, saying that not only will I not oppose the release of the documents, but that he encourages their immediate release. Trump appeared to offer a preemptive defense earlier Friday for his retention of top-secret material seized by federal agents, saying in response to reports in several publications that obtained access to the warrant that he had declassified the items in his possession while he was president. Number 1, it was all declassified, Trump wrote on his social media platform on Friday. Number 2, they didn't have to seize anything, he added, saying that they could have had anything they wanted without breaking into Mar-a-Lago, adding that the documents were in secured storage with an additional lock. The comments came after Trump on Monday announced that his Mar-a-Lago estate was under siege, creating a political firestorm over the speculated conditions of the investigation. Although unsealing documents in an ongoing investigation is highly unusual for the Justice Department, the agency was under pressure to reveal more details. Trump himself disclosed the search, which incentivized the Justice Department to disclose the information. In addition, the former president insinuated that the FBI had been planting evidence at Mar-a-Lago. Violent rhetoric began circulating about the FBI's treatment of the former president since Monday, while an armed man approached an FBI office in Ohio and exchanged gunfire with law enforcement, as the agency has reported growing threats against its agents and offices in recent days. I will not stand by silently when their integrity is unfairly attacked, Garland said, addressing what he called unfounded attacks on the professionalism of the FBI and Justice Department agents and prosecutors.